Welcome to Silver Vitality Vault, the channel dedicated to protecting your strength, your mobility, and your independence as you age. For decades, you were warned to stay away from cheese. You were told it was too fatty, too salty, dangerous for your heart. Something seniors should avoid if they wanted to stay healthy. But what if that advice was completely wrong? What if avoiding certain cheeses is actually one of the reasons so many older adults are losing strength, struggling to stand, suffering falls, and eventually becoming dependent on walkers or wheelchairs? New findings reveal something most people were never told. Some cheeses don't just maintain muscle. They actively help rebuild it, even in older adults. In fact, one specific cheese has been shown to rebuild muscle at a remarkable rate in seniors over a short period of time. And yet, nearly everyone over 60 avoids it because they were convinced it would cause harm. So why isn't this talked about more? Because weakness is profitable. Dependency creates repeat treatments. And muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, is now one of the leading reasons older adults lose their independence. But today, here on Silver Vitality Vault, we are breaking that silence. In this video, we're revealing the top 3 cheeses that can help reverse age-related muscle loss. They are ranked from helpful to absolutely life-changing. And the number 1 cheese on this list is the one almost no doctor ever mentions, yet it may already be sitting in your refrigerator. Before we dive in, take a moment and think carefully about these 2 questions. Have you noticed that your strength seems to be fading, even though you believe you're eating enough protein? And are you open to discovering which common cheese mistakes may actually be accelerating muscle loss? Share your answers in the comments. At Silver Vitality Vault, we read and respond to comments with personalized guidance because your strength matters. Now let's begin. Number 3, ricotta cheese. Ricotta cheese may look light and unremarkable, but it is one of the most powerful tools available for fighting muscle loss in seniors. This soft Italian cheese is made from whey, the most easily absorbed form of dietary protein. Its mild texture and gentle taste hide an unusually strong muscle-building capability. The secret lies in its high leucine content. Leucine is a critical amino acid responsible for triggering muscle protein synthesis, the internal process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle fibers. As we age, this process slows dramatically. Muscles become resistant to protein signals, a condition known as anabolic resistance. That means older adults must consume higher quality protein to achieve the same repair response that younger people get from smaller amounts. Ricotta helps overcome this resistance. Because it is whey-based, ricotta digests rapidly and floods the bloodstream with amino acids, activating muscle repair pathways when they are needed most. Another major advantage is that ricotta provides this benefit while remaining relatively low in sodium and fat, making it a safer option for seniors managing blood pressure or cardiovascular concerns. For best results, ricotta works most effectively when eaten after physical activity. This does not need to be strenuous exercise. Even walking, light resistance bands, or simple leg movements can prime muscles to absorb protein more efficiently. A half-cup serving delivers a meaningful amount of high-quality protein and enough leucine to stimulate muscle rebuilding in older adults. Ricotta pairs well with complex carbohydrates such as oats or whole grain toast, which help transport amino acids directly into muscle cells. Some seniors enjoy blending ricotta into smoothies with cinnamon and a small amount of honey. Others prefer it warm with oats or paired with vitamin D-rich foods like eggs or mushrooms to support calcium absorption. What should be avoided is eating ricotta late at night without prior movement, as unused protein may be stored as fat rather than used for muscle repair. Always choose fresh ricotta made with minimal ingredients. Avoid versions filled with gums or preservatives, as these interfere with digestion. Those sensitive to lactose should begin with small portions and avoid pairing ricotta with highly acidic fruits, which can slow gastric emptying and reduce amino acid uptake. Ricotta is gentle, fast-acting, and especially effective when used strategically. Number 2, Gruyere cheese. Moving up the list, we arrive at a firmer, aged cheese with even deeper muscle-preserving power. Gruyere is a traditional Swiss cheese with a dense nutritional profile that makes it particularly valuable for older adults. Unlike ricotta, which works quickly, Gruyere operates slowly and steadily. It is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting form of protein that releases amino acids gradually over several hours. This steady supply is critical overnight, when muscle breakdown accelerates during sleep. As we age, nighttime hormone production declines. Growth hormone and testosterone decrease, while muscle catabolism increases. This creates a perfect storm for muscle loss, unless the body is nourished properly. A modest portion of Gruyere before bed acts like a slow drip feed for your muscles, supplying them with the amino acids they need to maintain and repair tissue throughout the night. Gruyere also provides essential minerals including calcium, phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin K2. These nutrients support nerve-muscle communication, bone strength, and muscle contraction. When muscles and bones work together efficiently, balance improves and fall risk decreases. The ideal portion is small but intentional. Roughly 30 to 40 grams, consumed 1 to 2 hours before bed, is sufficient. Pairing Gruyere with a few almonds or a small piece of whole grain bread can stabilize blood sugar without interfering with protein absorption. This cheese works best after an evening walk when muscles are receptive to nutrients. Avoid pairing it with alcohol, heavy desserts, or overly salty processed versions. Those combinations slow digestion, disrupt sleep, and strain kidney function. Moderate intake of aged cheeses like Gruyere has not been shown to increase cardiovascular risk in healthy seniors and may actually support better bone-muscle interaction. For individuals with kidney disease or advanced cholesterol concerns, moderation and medical guidance are advised. When used correctly, Gruyere protects muscle while you sleep, when losses are often greatest. Number 1. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese stands at the top of this list for one reason. It delivers both immediate and long-lasting muscle protection in one simple food. This fresh cheese contains a rare combination of fast-acting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein, making it uniquely suited for aging muscles. Whey initiates muscle repair quickly, while casein continues feeding muscle tissue for hours. But protein alone is not what makes cottage cheese exceptional. It is also rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12, nutrients essential for muscle contraction, energy production, and nerve signaling. Together, these nutrients improve muscle coordination, strength, and endurance. When consumed at the right time, cottage cheese actively combats sarcopenia. The optimal window is within 30 to 60 minutes after any form of movement. Walking, gardening, chair exercises, or resistance bands all qualify. During this window, muscles are primed to absorb amino acids and convert them into strength. Cottage cheese can be paired with potassium-rich foods like banana or sweet potato to support hydration and prevent cramps. Adding turmeric and black pepper may further reduce inflammation and improve nutrient utilization. Low-sodium varieties are best. Avoid pairing cottage cheese with sugary spreads or refined crackers, which interfere with insulin signaling and muscle repair. For those sensitive to dairy, lactose-free options allow access to the protein without digestive distress. Consistency is key. Cottage cheese works not through one meal, but through repeated, properly timed use. When integrated into daily routines, strength returns, endurance improves, and confidence grows. How to use all three cheeses together. These cheeses are most powerful when used strategically throughout the day. Ricotta or cottage cheese works best in the morning or after activity to quickly halt muscle breakdown. Cottage cheese excels after midday movement or light exercise. Gruyere is ideal in the evening to protect muscle overnight. Spacing protein intake across 3 windows keeps the body in a positive nitrogen balance, the biological state required for muscle maintenance. Hydration supports this process. Drink water before and after meals to enhance digestion and cellular function. Sleep quality completes the cycle. Poor sleep increases stress hormones that destroy muscle tissue. Dim lights, reduce screen time, and create a calm nighttime routine to multiply the effects of nutrition. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. It is influenced by timing, by quality, by choices. When you give your body the right nutrients at the right moment, strength does not fade, it responds. This is the mission of Silver Vitality Vault. Start small, choose one cheese, pair it with movement, stay consistent, watch how your body changes. Share your experience in the comments. Let us know what worked for you. Thank you for being part of Silver Vitality Vault, where vitality doesn't retire.